Hello. Today I want to tell you 4 things that you should do with your AWS account in 2019 in order to dramatically improve the security of your systems. There might be other things that you need to do also, but these 4 things are really fast, really easy to do, and make a big difference. So the first thing is make sure you have 2-factor authentication turned on all your users in your AWS account. The second thing is to turn on something called Guard Duty. Guard Duty is what's known as an intrusion prevention system or detection system. It's really, really powerful and very, very inexpensive the way that Amazon has implemented it. It does so much more than a much more expensive system can do. So Guard Duty does 3 things. It watches your network traffic, it watches your DNS traffic, and it looks at the API calls that are made inside your account. It runs machine learning over those, and then it lets you know when there's suspicious activity going on. Super, super powerful, very easy to turn on, and very, very quick and beneficial. The third thing is turn on something called Security Hub. And inside Security Hub, there's something called a Foundations Benchmark Check, or a CIS benchmark. You want to turn that on. What that is a set of industry-agreed configuration checks for your Amazon account, and it'll probably give you some things marked green and some things marked red. So that'll be a punch list for you to work on the rest of the year to further harden your AWS account. But step 1, very easy to do, just turn on those checks and you'll get a nice dashboard. The last thing, number 4, is make sure everyone who has AWS API keys is using a command line utility, open source, free, called Aws Vault. This is available on GitHub. It's in some of the different tool distributions like Homebrew, and it stores your API keys encrypted in each operating system, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS or Linux, in the secure password store for the operating system. Makes your API keys much more secure. So those are the 4 things that you should turn on right away in your AWS account in 2019. Talk to you later.